P2 supposition concept. Okay, for this concept is actually relatively advanced for P2 level. So the reason why we want to introduce this concept to students is because we want to expose them to this type of questions, and also to explain the logical reasoning behind this concept. So in school, teachers may introduce like guess and check method. Okay, using the guess and check method, it's actually not as efficient to get the answer. So using the supposition concept, we can get to the answer much more effectively and efficiently. Okay, but do not worry if students are not able to get the concept straight away after the first time that they're being taught. So this concept is actually introduced all the way to P6 in increasing difficulties. Okay, so let's look at an example of a P2 supposition concept. So here there are 5 cars and motorcycles in a car park, 16 wheels altogether. How many cars are there? Okay, so we know one car has 4 wheels, motorcycle has 2 wheels. Okay, so since we know that there's 5 vehicles, we will draw 5 circles to represent the 5 vehicles. So for P2 level supposition concept, right, we always start with the one with the smaller number of wheels. So in this case, it's the motorcycle. So we suppose all of them are motorcycles. That means these 5 vehicles are actually motorcycles. So since motorcycles have 2 wheels each, right? So we're going to add in two lines to represent the wheels to each of these 5 circles. Okay, so here students should be able to identify there are actually 5 groups of 2. So the total number of wheels, so instead of like counting the number of wheels, right, you can say that there's 5 groups of 2. So it's 5 times 2, which is 10. Now, what we have, if all of them are motorcycles, is that we'll have 10 wheels, right? But according to the question, there are actually 16 wheels altogether. So from here, we need to ask, how many more wheels do we need? We are short of wheels now, right? We have 10, but the question said that there's 16. So the extra number of wheels that we need will be 16 minus 10. So for this step, a lot of students will say, we need 6 wheels, but you need to write the statement down. How do you get 6? So 6 is the difference between 16 and 10. So 16 minus 10, which is 6. So I need to put this 6 wheels into this diagram. So do I put all 6 onto the first circle? No, because this is a motorcycle, right? I can only change it to a car. A car has additional 2 more wheels. So I can only add 2 to every circle. Okay, so I have 6 to spare. So we distribute this 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here, students should be able to see that 4 lines represents a car. So this car, car, car. And then the last 2 circles only has two lines, which means that they are motorcycles. So then we read the question, how many cars are there? Looking at this diagram, we know that there are 3 cars. So that's how we get the answer. So if the question is asking how many motorcycles are there, then looking at the diagram, the answer will be 2.